Our vending machine can play advertisement, both video advertisement and picture advertisement. This video I will show you how to upload advertisement to the machine. Log in the server from computer. Click Operation Center. Click Advertisement Manage. Click Advertisement Content. Then we can add a new advertisement. There is two places we can upload advertisement. One is when nobody is buying, it will play a full screen advertisement. The second place is at the buying page. There is a half screen. We can upload an advertisement. So when we upload the advertisement, we need to select where it's going to be displayed. Upload video and select the video we want to play. And then click OK. After adding a new content, then we click the advertisement release. Click Advertisement Publish. Select the advertisement we just upload. Select the machine we want to play this advertisement. Click OK. The video will go to the machine.
MINNO vending machine.